Are you drowning in what ifs while you're trying to get through your custom home build or major renovation? What if I make the wrong decision? What if I hate what I picked 3 to 5 years from now? What if, what if, what if? It's like this endless feedback loop that just keeps running in your head, right? Well, here are 3 tips that can help you break that cycle with certainty. Tip 1, let the architecture lead. Your custom home design should be very cohesive. When you go from one room to another, it should make visual and intuitive sense. So start there. Now, are there exceptions to this? Of course, but you have to be really darn good at design to pull it off. Tip number 2, know what you want. Clarity is king or queen or whatever, but you have to know what you want. So keep digging and researching and exploring until you're certain. But there's a balancing act here. Don't let analysis paralysis kick in and stop your momentum. And tip number 3, respect the budget. Tip number 1 and 2 are great, but they're not complete unless you're staying within your budget. So just let your budget be the bad cop. This will help you manage your expectations and make better decisions and provide long-term assurance to yourself against self-doubt. And if you do these 3 things, you can shut down the what if loop that keeps running in your head.